guys, well, yeah, I'm making another keypad tutorial. Exactly the same, almost, just I'm changing some things and I will remove these yellow things right there. Yeah. I did a keypad tutorial, but some people didn't like it. Okay, some people thought it was confusing, some people hated me for keypad, and some people liked it, of course. But yeah, I'm remaking it. I'm also making a new code, 9438. Okay, so when you enter the right code in the right order, 9438, this thing will open, this door here. So I made a func underscore door. Um, the name of it is func underscore door. It got no flags. Sorry about that. And I also made my keypad, which is prop underscore dynamic underscore override. Go into world model and browse for keypad until you find it. Yeah, there it is. Press OK, press apply, and there you got your keypad. Okay, so now we're gonna make the buttons like just like the other tutorial. The buttons will be invisible, so you think you're pushing the buttons on the keypad, which you're not doing. You can search for inv also works, of course. Okay, so now have the keypad selected. Go down to this thing here. If you don't have it selected, the keypad will look like that. Then it's harder to know where you're gonna place the buttons. Okay, so if you also make the grid smaller, I have the smaller size. Otherwise it will be like this, and when you're making the buttons, it will be quite hard since they're so big. So make the grid small and do like that. But as you can see, it doesn't really fit. So if you hold down Alt and drag it, then you can drag it how you want. So yeah. Also make sure it is outside of the keypad. It doesn't have to be there. It can be just like there. Okay. Press enter, and now we got a button. We're gonna press Ctrl and T together, make it func underscore button. Press apply. You're gonna name it, so I'm gonna name it to keypad button 1, since it is in the number 1 position on the keypad. On flags, don't move, and starts locked. Press apply. Now we're gonna copy these buttons. We're gonna do that by having your select cursor, whatever it's called, inside a box. Hold down shift, hold down left mouse button, drag it, release left mouse button, release shift. Now you have copied it. Now you hold down alt to move it as you want. And we can, whoops. As you can see, 2 buttons. And that's almost good. I think that is good. Hold down, do the same thing, copy it to that position. So it's on all 3. Now you're gonna select all the buttons and copy them down instead. So we don't have to copy them 9 times. Or 8. That's quite annoying. Okay, there we go. And another time, copy them. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna change the name on every button so it fits with the keypad. This is button 2. Whoops. This is button 3. This is button 4. Whoops. 5. 6. 7. Also, the buttons don't have to fit perfectly with the keypad. It will work, no worries. And the last one, number 9. Okay, so my code is 9438. So that means the first button in the code must be a different flag on. So we're gonna go in on the first button in the code. So my code was 9438. So again on number 9 and remove the start locked. Press apply. Now I'm gonna take in a little entity here called load. No, wait. What the hell is this thing? There we go. Logic. Logic case. There we go. I didn't know what the name of it. Sorry, guys. I don't know. I don't think you have to name it, but we gotta name it anyways. Keypad case. There we go. Okay. So now we're gonna do some things here. Case 1 will be when you press the wrong button in the code. So that will be reset. So I can type in here reset. Case 2 will be when you press the first button. Yeah, well, when you press the first button. So I will call that 9, and then which button you have to press after that. So 9 to 4. Since my code is 9438, then on case 3 it would be 4 to 3. On case 4 it would be 3 to 8, and the last one, which would be 8 to whatever you do it, maybe activate, open, unlock, whatever. I'm gonna have activate. Press apply.